Want to do a video with me, Emily? Hello, guys.
Captain.
We got a new puppy today.
I was recording.
Here's Captain Buddy.
It ain't Captain Buddy, it's just Captain.
Dad wanted him named him Captain. Then he wanted to name it. Then he wanted to name it Buddy. If he uses pepperoni, I'm sorry. This is our little Chihuahua hybrid. Let me get close to them.
Hey, you're gonna help my leg.
We'll take him out in a couple of minutes. That's all for this video. We'll see how he's gonna be doing tomorrow. Oh boy, I may extend it just for y'all. I don't think he has these. Did he pee right there? Is it right there? Did he?
No. No. I think he did pee outside.
But we didn't see it, you know? He's a male. I'm going to see if my dad will name him Captain Buddy. Or Captain or Buddy. Goodbye now.